Once again, welcome to the class. See, on the screen you are observing, I have considered 6 cases. Let star be a binary operation on the set Q of rational numbers defined as follows. So I will read the problem one by one. A star b is equal to a minus b. A star b is equal to a square plus b square. A star b is equal to a plus ab. A star b is equal to a minus b whole square. A star b is equal to ab divided by 4. Last one is a star b is equal to ab square. So here find which of the binary operations are commutative and which are associative. So we have to verify only two properties, commutative and associative. See, out of these 6 cases, I will solve some of the cases here. So remaining cases you have to solve yourself. So you consider those problems as homework and write neatly in your notebook. Okay, let's quickly go through the examples here. See, I will consider fifth one. I will consider fifth problem and let's verify commutative property. Okay, fifth one. So commutative property means a star b should be equal to what? B star a. So a star b is ab by 4, b star a is ba by 4. Therefore here star is, so you can write the spelling correctly, commutative. Star is commutative. So a star b is equal to b star a, star is commutative. So let us quickly check up the associative property. So very simple. Associative property means a star b star c is equal to a star b star c. Okay, I will consider one side here, a star b star c. See, consider either LHS or RHS. So this is the one side here. So here BC means what? BC by 4. Then you treat this whole thing as say x. What is x? X is BC by 4. Now AX divided by 4. Apply the definition for this, AX divided by 4. In the next step, I am going to replace this x. So I will do in the next step. I will continue from this AX by 4. So consider this AX divided by 4. See, a by 4, I will write this. So what was x here? BC by 4. So I get ABC divided by 16. This is one side. So I will work out other side. So I will continue ABC divided by 16. Okay. So what was our other side here? See, consider a star b star c. Now this becomes ab by 4 star c. Now you treat this as say p star c. So what is p here? Remember this, ab by 4. You write this one. So p star c means what? Now once again by definition pc by 4. Okay, pc by 4. I can replace p in the next step here. So space is not available. I will write in the next step pc divided by 4. See here, I will continue from this step. pc divided by 4. You have to replace p by ab by 4. So pc divided by 4. I will take up from there. So pc divided by 4. See here, I have to replace p. What was p? So p was ab by 4 into, I will write this c by 4 as it is, c by 4. So what is it? ABC divided by 16. See, both sides I got ABC divided by 16. So what it says? Therefore star is associative. So this is a 2 marks problem. They will ask any one property, either commutative or associative. So in most of the cases they will ask this associative property. So this is very important. So I have solved this fifth one. This is commutative and associative. Okay, let us now let us consider this say this a star b is equal to a minus b. First one, I will consider first one. So let's check whether it is commutative or not. So it's very simple problem. A star b is equal to a minus b. This is given in the problem. So you can observe here a star b See, A star B is equal to A minus B. So commutative property means A star B is equal to B. So see, B star A means what? B minus A. Can we say that A minus B is equal to B minus A? Absolutely not. Therefore, star is not commutative. So you can write yourself here, star is not commutative. Okay. So A star B is A minus B, B star A is B minus A. These two are not equal, therefore star is not commutative. So let us check for associativity. So associativity means, as we know this, consider A star C, B star C. Observe carefully. A star. What is B star C according to the definition? Difference. B minus C. See, A star, you replace this thing as X. Then once again apply the definition. This is difference, A minus X. See here, I will do here A minus, see here, what is X? X is this whole thing, B minus C. So I will write B minus C. So I will remove the bracket, A minus B plus C. See here, A minus B plus C. This is A star, B star C. A minus B plus C. So you can write the steps like this neatly. So now the next step I can consider, see, A star B star C. So what is A star B? A minus B star C. So you replace this, say X star C. Once again the difference X minus C. Then what is X here? A minus B minus C. Of course, comparing these two, this is not equal to, so both sides are different. So what must be our conclusion? Therefore, star is not associative. Star is not associative. So in this first one is, see here, first problem is completed. I have worked out the fifth one here. So 4 cases will remain here. So you can work out the remaining problems here. So it is so remaining problems have to be solved by you in the next stage. Okay, shall continue our class in the next class.